The 2025 Classic 2 Plus in Mediterranean Blue is a true showstopper on the golf course. Its vibrant hue glistens under the sun, drawing admiring glances from fellow players. The color-matched dashboard complements the sleek design, featuring convenient cup holders that keep your favorite drinks within reach. An advanced multimedia touchscreen offers seamless access to music and can Bluetooth to your phone, enhancing every round. Powered by a robust 48V105Ah lithium battery, this cart promises reliability and excitement, ensuring you're ready for an unforgettable golf season ahead. Assembled in Carman, Manitoba, Canada, this cart is available at Prairie Golf Supplies. Contact them at 204-745-6644 for details and pricing.